What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tay here, back with another reaction video. Today's video is Anne Marie featuring KSI and Digital Farm Animals. Yes, you heard it right, Digital Farm Animals. And the song is called Don't Play. Before I say anything about that, how are you guys feeling? I hope you guys are all doing really well. You know, if you're having a bad day, I'm sorry to hear about that, but things are going to clear up and things are going to get better and you're going to have better days. Like, just think about it. Summertime's coming up, baby. And if you're in school, hey, guess what? Spring break's like next week. And then before you know it, a month later, it's summer. You get summer break. Like, think about it. 2 months off of school. Sounds amazing. And for those of you that are not in school and you have to work, I know it sucks. You're still going to have to work even throughout the summer, but maybe some of you get a vacation. Maybe some of you can request some days off, take some personal days, take a little mini vacay. I know that's what I'm doing. But yeah, I really want you guys to be in a good mindset and just good vibes, good energy, and all those wonderful things. So yeah. So that's the song. Did my intro. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification, baby, please, so you can know when I'm posting another video. Without further ado, Don't Play, and let's just see what it's about. I'm really interested in this visual, digital animals, farm animals. So let's see. Ooh, bullies. I do not like bullies, y'all.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When they
Okay, so I definitely just seen a Digital Farm Animal. It's a person, they had like a pig mask or something. It was kind of like digital lights and all those. Yeah.
Don't play.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AT. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck, with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to rap, no.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. All the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye.
See, now she know how to fight now. She know how to fight, and she finna beat these bullies up. I like this song. I still think it's a little interesting because I never heard of Digital Farm Animals or Digital Farm Animals in a video. So I just thought, like, it's the first time for everything. So I just thought that was, like, you know, one of those moments.
Big game you're playing, yeah, boy, I played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to rap, no.
Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Play, yeah, yeah, yeah. Play, yeah, play, yeah, play, yeah, yeah, yeah. Play, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like I said, she beat them bullies and they definitely got what they deserve. So I don't feel bad for them. And little quick side note, for those of you that like to bully people, don't, because it's not cool and it's not funny and it's not nice either. And I don't like bullies, so don't be a bully. Don't be. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I did, and make sure you guys come back for another reaction video. Bye.